Right now, a Travis County court is wrapping up the second day of testimony in the trial of former Williamson County Sheriff Robert Chody and Assistant County Attorney Jason Nassour. Both are charged with evidence tampering tied to the 2019 in-custody death of Javier Ambler. KVUE's Malia Masumoto is following the trial. And Malia, things in the courtroom, well, they almost came to a halt today.
Yeah, Quita, right after we came back from lunch, prosecutors asked the judge for an emergency stay of the trial. State attorneys said because of a pretrial motion granted by the judge, they would not be able to move forward with this case. And before the trial, Judge Sage granted a motion that said because of the Privacy Protection Act, Chody and Nassour were not allowed to seize live PD crews footage on the scene of Javier Ambler's death. The PPA is a federal law that prohibits law enforcement from seizing journalists' work. Now, the fact that Chody and Nassour didn't gather footage on the scene was a large part of the state's argument for the case. Without evidence related to that, they said, quote, "We cannot prove the case with what we have left." Now, Judge Sage denied that stay and told them to move forward with their witnesses. They then called a camera operator for live PD who was on the scene of Ambler's death. Now, earlier in their day, they brought in former Williamson County judge, and he was testifying about the contract that they made with Big Fish, the entertainment company that produces that live PD show. And as I stepped out of the courtroom, they were finishing up talking to another live PD camera operator, but it appears he has just walked out of the building too, so I believe they may be finishing up some other legal matters they need to discuss. Live at the Travis County Courthouse, Malia Masumoto, KVUE News.